Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cotton candy laptop in Toca Boca. First, you'll need to find a laptop base within the game. Next, search for cotton candy items, which are usually found in food or party sections. Don't forget to collect any fun decorative elements you want to add, like stickers or small accessories. This initial step is crucial for a sweet creation. Now, let's start building. Place your chosen laptop base onto a flat surface in your Toca Boca world. Carefully attach the cotton candy items to the screen area, making sure it looks fluffy and vibrant. Then, secure more cotton candy to the keyboard section, giving it that soft, sugary texture. You're already halfway to a delicious-looking device. Time to add some sweet details. Use small candies or other tiny items to create realistic-looking buttons on your cotton candy keyboard. You can even place a tiny drink or snack next to your laptop for a complete setup. Feel free to customize it further with stickers, glitter, or any other fun decorations available in the game. Make it uniquely yours. Finally, let's put on the finishing touches. Take a moment to review all parts of your cotton candy laptop, ensuring everything is in place and looks just right. Adjust any items that might be misplaced or need a little tweak. Once you're happy with your sweet creation, it's ready to be enjoyed in your Toca Boca adventures. Have fun with your unique device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.